Guys, 90% of people don't know this, but they're actually killing themselves. It's inside the car. Over here, we have what we call a cabin filter, right? This filters the air that comes in through from outside into the cabin so that you get your heating and your AC and stuff. A lot of people go and get their car serviced and this is completely ignored and they don't even know about it. This is disgusting. Imagine you're breathing all of this in. So make sure when you do come down to Ollie Autos and you get the full service package, you get a pollen filter replaced so that your lungs are clean and you don't kill yourself. Now we're putting a new one in. Slots in there. So make sure you come to Ollie Autos, get a full service package and you get your pollen filter done.